trying to take it to the top floor. I swear I hear some new bullshit every day I'm waking up. I got a million trillion things I'd rather fucking do than to begin with you. I ain't doing no work, cause you just be there. Don't you worry, let you worry.
You guys, I got this package in the mail from Dollskill. Wish you were here, killing it.
I know where that's from.
Dollskill. Dollskill.
I know where that's from.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful.
And since we've no place to go, let's go to Starbucks.
The weather's super nice and I kind of want to go to the beach today. It's like in the 60s, but I kind of want to go to the beach today because it's always so... Okay, Mr. Motorcycle, you're not cool. It's always so nice during like the winter time. So, and Steven's off today, so he told me that he wanted to go, so maybe we'll go. I'm gonna call him now and see if he wakes up. Hey guys, so this is one of my shirts from Dollskill. I literally love it, like so much. I don't know, I just love the colors. I love how bright it is. I'm feeling that. I'm gonna show you guys my whole outfit. Well, my outfit right now isn't really that good, but what I'm planning to do for my little photo shoot today is like so cute. But here's the thing. Steven has not picked up the phone at all today. No, it's even worse than that. His phone's dead because I don't know why he forgets to charge his phone at night. Like, who does that? But anyway, besides the point, his phone's dead. I've been calling him since I woke up today, which was at 11, and it went straight to voicemail each time, and the last time I called him was at 3 and it went to voicemail, so he still has not woken up. And I'm getting kind of upset because he did say that we were gonna go to the beach today. He has the day off today, and like the light's gonna go down. It's a beautiful day. I know it's a little bit chilly, but like this is the best time to take beach pics because the beach is beautiful during this time of the year. Like I don't know how to contact him, so I'm literally going to his house right now and knocking on the door until he wakes up. So follow me around for that, and I will catch you guys when I get there. Oh, this is just my makeup of the day. It's very just casual, no eyeliner today, but I did do a mascara and my eyelashes are looking so long. Yeah, I'm just wearing these like sweatpant things from Fashion Nova and some sneakers, but I literally have the cutest idea for pictures. But yeah, I will catch you guys in a bit. All right, you guys, so I finally woke his I woke him up, and luckily there was someone else there. So we finally made it to the beach. It's really freaking chilly, bro.
Yeah, it's a lot colder than I
It's
thought.
really chilly. Yeah, because the beach is really cold. But I'm ready for these pics that we're gonna take. He's so cute.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, catch up with you in a bit. If you want to keep up with our beach adventures, then keep watching. All right, you guys. So as you can see, we are at the beach. It looks so beautiful, but it is so freaking cold. This is what I'm wearing. This is from Fashion Nova. I'm here to take pictures. And then this suit is from Black Bow Swim. They also sent it to me recently, and I thought, you know what? This is such a cute combo. And tell me, does it match the sky? Does it match the sky?
Oh yeah.
So yeah, this is the first, I mean, these are the second set of pictures we took. The first set was with this shirt from Doll's Kill. So I'm gonna show you guys like a full body. Steven is gonna help me record it.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Okay, so that's this one. Isn't it super adorable? I'm so cold right now. I'm literally so freaking
Yeah, put on the other one at least under that. Why don't you do that? It's literally freezing.
This is the one from Doll's Kill. I love this shirt. It's like honestly such a cute shirt. It's such a vibe. This is the Doll's Kill one. Okay, I need to put both on.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It is rather cold.
Like Miami has never done this to us.
That's not true.
Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that little try on. Remember, the bathing suit is Black Bow. I'm wearing a large. This is Fashion Nova, wearing a large. This is Doll's Kill, wearing a large. So it's so freaking cold. I don't know, it's not working. You guys, I cannot stress how cold it is. I put on my pants, I put on the thing and the thing,
Yeah,
and then and like it's just so freaking cold. But look how beautiful this is. Like, this is literally why I come to the beach during winter. Like, people think we're crazy for this, but like, you don't see this the other times of the year. Like, it's kind of like this, but it's never so pink and like beautiful like this. And look at all these surfers. What are you guys doing? I mean, I get it though. It's a beautiful experience. So
They just need to drive up like a few hours to get good waves.
yeah. And yeah, that's the beach. This beach is so pretty today. I literally cannot. All right, you guys, we have a dilemma.
Yeah. Really bad.
And the dilemma is that, okay, so it's really cold. Brr. Brr. And it's 5:42 and we wanted to leave, but the traffic is gonna be so bad. So we have to wait for like another hour and a half or so in order for the traffic to go down. But it's also really cold and we might die. So if we're dead and this video doesn't go up, then you know what happened to us.
No one's gonna see this then. So.
Bye. All right, guys, so here's what we chose to do.
We're not laying on the beach anymore.
We're leaving. So it's really cold.
We're not made for that cold, you know?
Let's see what the temperature is here.
It's gonna be deceiving though, because the wind chill. That's really what makes it cold.
61 degrees.
Yeah. What's the wind chill?
I don't know.
Probably at least like 10 degrees less because of that, at least.
All right, you guys, so I'm leaving Steven's house now. and going home to Bambi because I miss her.
Yeah, she knows she needs you.
Also, I need to take a shower and I need to upload all the pictures that we took today so that I can edit them and have them ready to post for tomorrow. And it's really cold. Oh my god, it's 51 degrees.
Yeah, I'm pretty cold right now.
It was so cold at the beach, like, ugh. But
It's
yeah,
less cold now.
it's less cold now, but it
Still pretty
shows
cold.
that it's colder.
Well, because there's no wind.
Yeah, wind makes things way colder.
Yeah,
it like
that's a
takes it
fact.
to a whole nother level, girl.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm gonna go now
Yeah.
because I have to go. Goodbye. Well, I just got home. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, is my makeup like terrible? Yeah, it is. I've literally been in this all day. Crusty. I just finished editing a video, so I'm gonna put that up literally right now, 1 in the morning. I'm a little bit late, but better late than never. I'm gonna go take a shower, wash my hair, wash my face, get ready for the night, and go to sleep. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is BAE Rebecca signing out.